These are beautiful. Oh, pig. Oh. This way. Oh, arrived a little Earth. We are at the end of 2025. These are some commercial firecrackers I found. Let's start with boom number 5. Then we have the special magnum. These are the micro curls. I probably had never heard them before. These instead are the Roddy Apocalypse. Now let's go try them one to one. These are the micro curls. I try to turn on one. What is had been defective. I didn't expect it. I turn on one here, you say I will do all the other tests. Oh, where is it? But there is dust. And if they make those remnants that have in the factory. Keep up the makeup. Open one exact. Come on, light it. I'll show you shit. That sucks. Beast. Wait, show a little these beautiful ones. These are beautiful. Go turn on one. Oh, these are not bad, eh? You have another.
Oh.
Right. These here Roddy are the Roddy of before. These Roddy are a lot of stuff, eh? This no Roddy are the best. Small and strong no more. We try to put a roto under a stone. Let's see if he moves it. We put it a little inside the earth. I want to see how much earth moves. But he lowered the stone. And then, give me the other one. Okay. We put this of here one at the Volta we take. Oh, a little earth has arrived. Okay, made a little hole. This is the doctor. Let's see this one. That sucks, so the best are the... These are these no, in my opinion, Roddy. According to you, Roddy, yes. Haha, no die. Mamma mia. Now let's prove what happens if you turn on one of these ruined... How did it burst? Open another one. Let me see the dust.